Today we are starting with transportation. Movement of substances from one place to another is known as transportation. In plants, movement of substances takes place through xylem and phloem, and in organisms, movement of substances through blood, and blood is pumped out with the help of the heart. As you can see, it is human heart. It is divided into 4 chambers, 2 auricles, right and left auricle. Similarly, 2 ventricle, right and left ventricle. Right part of the heart is associated with deoxygenated blood, and left side of the heart is associated with oxygenated blood. Now, this is the vena cava. It is divided into 2 parts. Superior vena cava, which takes the blood from upper side of the body. Inferior vena cava, which takes the blood from the lower side of the body. Vena cava takes deoxygenated blood and it brings inside the right auricle. From here it goes to right ventricle. From here it goes to lungs for purification of the blood, and purified blood with the help of the pulmonary veins comes in left auricle, then left ventricle, and from here aorta to different parts of the body. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 upper auricles and 2 lower ventricles. The left auricle and the left ventricle are separated by septum. The wall of the heart consists of 3 layers: epicardium outer layer, myocardium middle layer, and endocardium inner layer. How the heart works? The heart contracts at different rates depending on factors. At rest, it may be beating 60 times per minute. At the time of exercise, emotions, fever, disease, it may beat till 100 times. The left and right side of the heart work in union. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood and sends it to the lung, and left side of the heart receives blood from the lungs, pumps it to the rest of the body. The auricle and ventricle contract and relax in turn and producing a rhythmical heartbeat. Right side. The right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from the body through veins, and it is called superior and inferior vena cava. The right auricle contracts and blood passes to the right ventricle. Once the right ventricle is full, it contracts and pumps the blood to the lungs via pulmonary artery, where it picks up oxygen and offloads carbon dioxide. Left side. Newly oxygenated blood returns to the left auricle via pulmonary vein. The left auricle contracts, pushing blood into the left ventricle. Once the left ventricle is full, it contracts and pushes the blood back to the body via aorta. Each heartbeat can be split into 2 parts. Diastole, it is the condition when auricle and ventricle are relaxed and they are filled with blood. Systole, at this time auricle and ventricle contract. When blood is sent through the pulmonary artery to the lungs, it travels through tiny capillaries on the surface of the lung. They are known as alveoli. Oxygen travels into the capillaries and carbon dioxide travels from the capillaries into the air sacs. The muscle of the heart need to receive oxygenated blood too. They are fed by the coronary artery on the surface of the heart. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending its PDF. Thank you.